In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a poem in the style of Shakespeare. To begin with, let's delve into the rich, lyrical, and romantic world of William Shakespeare's writing. Shakespeare's style is known for its intricate use of language, vivid imagery, and passionate expression, often peppered with Old English touches. So, when crafting a poem about the moon and stars, let your words dance and twirl in a sonnet like structure, typically consisting of 14 lines. Imagine the moon as a gentle sovereign reigning o'er the night sky, surrounded by a court of shimmering stars. Use Old English words for that authentic flavor, such as thou, thee, and doth. Encapsulate the romantic tone by likening celestial bodies to lovers in an eternal embrace, painting a scene where the stars spell out whispered sentiments in the velvet tapestry of night. Next, let's master the art of summarizing with the video, Steve Jobs' 2005 Stanford commencement speech. Focus on distilling this pivotal speech into 5 key bullet points that highlight Jobs' core messages. His speech, renowned for its motivational tone, emphasized themes like pursuing passion, embracing life's unpredictability, and learning from failures. Consider his references to connecting the dots, love and loss, and the inevitability of death, each point succinctly capturing the wisdom he imparted to the graduates. Now, transitioning to a more practical task, we'll generate a 7-day vegetarian meal plan that's both healthy and varied. Begin by outlining meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Think about nutritious staples like oats, fresh fruits, vibrant vegetables, legumes, and grains. Each day's meal should offer a balanced mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, ensuring no compromise on flavor or nutrition. Don't forget to compile a shopping list that includes all necessary ingredients, emphasizing seasonal and local produce when possible. Let's translate It's Raining Cats and Dogs into Spanish, while also shedding light on its cultural connotation. In Spanish, you'd say, Está lloviendo a cántaros, which similarly conveys a heavy downpour. The English phrase originates from 17th century expressions where cats and dogs symbolize turbulence. Explain such history, enriching the translation with these cultural nuggets. Transitioning to fitness, act as someone's very own personal fitness coach by crafting a beginner home workout regimen. Use bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks. These foundational moves are perfect for anyone starting out. Incorporate a mix of these exercises throughout the week, focusing on form, breathing, and gradual progression. Now, let's switch to a creative endeavor. Write upbeat pop song lyrics about a summer beach trip with friends. Embody that carefree summer vibe, infusing energy and happiness with vivid imagery of sun-kissed days, ocean waves, and laughter-filled nights. As we continue, plan an authentic 5-day Tokyo itinerary. Include iconic spots like Shibuya Crossing and the serene Meiji Shrine, recommending local food gems and vibrant shopping districts, ensuring a taste of Tokyo's cultural richness and modern flair. Finally, navigate through Python coding challenges by identifying and fixing errors. Imagine the line, if x, yeah 5, causing a syntax error. To solve this, replace the single equal sign with double equals. If x equals 5. That tiny tweak provides the clarity needed for the code to execute correctly. With this guide, you're now equipped to creatively write in Shakespearean style, tackle analytical tasks, organize a week of meals, delve into fitness coaching, and much more, all in simple, relatable language.